Our next topic is applications of fermentation. What are uses of fermentation or applications of fermentation? First of all, we will discuss applications of fermentation for producing fermented foods. Which foods are obtained by fermentation? Many foods are obtained by fermentation nowadays, which include cereal products, dairy products, and fruits and vegetables. Cereal products means those products of fermentation which are used as cereal, which we use in daily life, like bread, cakes, various grains, etc. The most commonly produced fermented product or the commonest cereal product produced by fermentation is bread. Bread is fermented by using alcoholic fermentation of dough. When dough is mixed with the yeast powder, yeast converts the dough into bread, which is both tasty and nutritious. Now we talk about the dairy products, the dairy foods obtained by fermentation. Dairy products are obtained by fermentation of the milk, and these include cheese, yogurt, butter, etc. Cheese is obtained by fermentation over protein present in milk. When a protein present in milk is coagulated, becomes solid, it is called cheese. Milk consists of water, proteins, and other dissolved particles. When the proteins present in the milk are coagulated, when protein in milk is coagulated, cheese is formed. Cheese is like a soft solid ball, and coagulated means transfer of milk into soft solid substance. Usually protein doesn't show as soft solid material in the milk because it is suspended permanently. But when by different techniques of biotechnology using some bacteria, using some lactic acid bacteria. The milk protein is coagulated, means separated and turned into soft solid ball, which is cheese. And cheese again is very much nutritious as well as tasty. Now we come to the yogurt, another dairy product. Yogurt is obtained by the action of lactic acid bacteria, lactic acid bacteria sour the milk, and when milk gets sour, it is called yogurt. Again, yogurt is tasty and nutritious. Various fruits and vegetables can be preserved for long time without a need for refrigerators or fridges. You can store fruits and vegetables by using the technique of fermentation, and this is done by using salt, lactic acid bacteria, and some other ingredients to add the taste to this preserved mass of fruits or vegetables. The preserved fruits or vegetables through fermentation are called pickles. So, fermentation helps in making the pickles, which doesn't require the fruits or vegetables to be put into refrigerators for their preservation or saving.